Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to learn what is an artificial intelligence, how it works, and how to give better prompt to get good results. First, we will see what is an artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence simply means machines that can think or act like humans. They learn from data, understand patterns, and can make predictions or decisions. It will give better results according to situations. Did you get an idea how this works? It contains a huge data, but from that huge data, we will get a better result by the modules. They are LLM, large language model, and SLM, small language model. Let's understand them in a simple way. Large language models are like big libraries filled with tons of information. They are trained on billions or even trillions of words, so they understand many subjects deeply. Some are examples are ChatGPT, Copilot, Gemini, which we will use in our daily life. LLMs are very powerful because they can handle long conversations, give complex and detailed answers, create stories, scripts, and even creative ideas, translate many languages, write codes, emails, essays, and even more. Since they are very big modules, they usually run on powerful servers and require more resources. On the other side, SLM, small language model. SLMs are smaller versions of AI modules. They don't have the huge size like LLMs, but they are fast, efficient, and perfect for simple tasks. For example, Microsoft and Google Gamma. SLMs are great because they can run on mobile phones, tablets, or laptops. It can work on offline in some cases and gives quick responses. You can imagine an SLM like a small pocket assistant. It may not have been as powerful as the big one, but it's extremely useful for quick and everyday needs. Many people think A is wrong or confusing, but the real issue is not A, it's the prompt they use. When you ask A something in a simple or unclear way, the result will be also unclear. So, to get the better result, we will give a better instructions. And for that, we will use a race framework. What is race framework? We'll see in a detailed way. RACE stands for role, action, context, and expectations. This method helps you give A the correct instructions so it can respond accurately and clearly. Let's see what are these by one by one. Role. Here you tell to A who it should act as. Giving a role can act as the right knowledge inside the AI. For example, let's imagine you are a cloud professor. You want the content to explain to your students. Follow the below prompt as step 1. Act as a cloud professor engineering with experience of 10 years. This helps the AI understand the style and level of explanation you need. Second, action. This is where you tell your requirement, what exactly you want from AI. For the same example where we gave role as cloud professor with 10 years of experience, we will give the action as explain cloud computing. This makes your request specific and direct. And the third, context. This is the extra or the background information to AI. The more context you give, the better answer you will get. For the same above example, we will give context as explain it for beginners who are new to cloud computing. Context makes sure the AI gives answers suitable to your students or targeted audience. And the final one, expectations. Here you tell A exactly what you expect in the final answer, like the font or the length, number of points, or even the style. For the above example, we will ask AI to write in 5 to 7 sentences. This makes sure the output matches your requirement. Let's break down the above example in a clear prompt. I'm a cloud professional for 10 years of experience. I want to explain what is cloud computing and what services are available in the cloud to my students. Explain every sentences in 5 to 7 sentences. If you give your prompt in this format, you will always get a well structured and high quality answer. This is how the RACE framework improves your results and helps AI understands your needs better.